Actor-Arlene here. Today I am going to be doing the Hiawatha Trail. It's 15 miles, a former old train track that they tore up and made an amazing bike path lane. It's 15 miles up, which I just did. Now it's 15 miles down. Enjoy. Thanks for coming along with me. Woohoo! So beautiful. Okay, I'm only on mile 2. Okay, this is super cool, going through a tunnel. Here we go. They always say there's light at the end of the tunnel. Thank goodness. Stalactites, bats, the works. We got it all right here. Check out this view. So on my way down, and that is just one of the bridges that I'll be crossing. I believe there's 7 of them, but it's a long way down. View absolutely spectacular. Here's the sun starting to go down. So beautiful. Wow, this is awesome. It's really hard holding the phone and doing this at the same time. And that's the next long bridge I'm heading to, right after I go through another tunnel. Oh, there's even a waterfall. How cool! So apparently one of the trains went off the tracks and it was loaded with wheat and it sat for a few days, and then some bears came and got drunk. Made it 30 miles done today. Yeah!